Great location for this 3-bedroom/2.5 bath home. The home has a brand new addition, a master suite fit for a king, and it's on the first floor and handicap accessible. The 2 additional bedrooms are on the second floor and there is a stair lift installed. The home features an open floor plan, a whole house generator, and plenty of storage space. The seller just got done painting the exterior with elastomeric paint, and the lot includes an open patio with storage shed and a huge and healthy grapefruit tree. The home is located in a quiet neighborhood, however, you are just 1 block from 2 major grocery stores and many restaurants, and less than 5 minutes from the beach, boat ramps and marinas. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.